Can I receive compensation after a work injury aggravates my pre-existing rotator cuff condition? Absolutely. In DC workers' compensation, an aggravation of an underlying condition is just like an original injury. So a lot of us walking around, especially if you've been doing heavy duty work like a construction worker for your whole life, we have different conditions for our back, for our rotator cuffs, degenerative conditions. If the work injury makes that worse, then absolutely you can get workers' comp benefits for that. Don't let the insurance company tell you otherwise, because that's exactly what they're going to try to do. Now, you've got to work with your doctor to make sure your doctor's opinion is that your work injury aggravated the underlying condition, made it worse. So that's critical. We do that all the time. If you've been seriously injured at work in DC, give us a call, 202-393-3320, and we'll take care of you. Thanks.